Of course, to use a Mothra design to gather wind energy. Now, I'm missing the normal panels that you'd see. They're in this sort of wedge section here. The lifting panels, they're not in for clarity, and also I kind of get them in there at the moment. Another way of using one of these lifting devices would be to stretch a net either across the front, across the back, or even stretch cones between surfaces on the front and surfaces on the back. So you can either stretch square fluting cones or circles like that, and mount in each one of them a small standard rigid propeller. If you manage to stretch a net successfully across there and create a rigid enough structure, it's feasible to do it. One problem with the design I've got here is it's getting crowded. You'd have to kill these ones. First three goes there, first three at least. Yeah, maybe four. So you're gonna have a wall that's so big. I just get rid of some of the back circles at the moment. Yeah, if you had a wall there. However, smaller generators are not so efficient as larger ones. That could be ganged in some way to spin lines, moving them along. It's going to be a lot of work to do that, lifting a whole load of pulleys and whatnot though. I think the best chance for a design like this is a collective work, either panels, going front to back, all programmed to send it flying that way, send it flying that way, send it, side to side, pulling on pistons or something here. If you did have sheets that were timed, programmed, switched to collectively throw the whole thing, that might well be the best arrangement. But anyway, that's one of the ideas that's been spoken about before. Just a very quick visual representation. An array of small propellers, a wind wall setup.